Hi guys, in this video I want to talk about some kind of stock trading setup which I used, which I want to show you, and the reasons why I bought the stock and how it worked out. Alright? Now, if we take a look at this first screenshot I made for PowerPoint here, as you can see, the stock is called Nordex. It's a German company for wind energy, so it's creating these wind turbines, okay? And it is more or less, it went sideways here in June and July, and that was also where the European stock market kind of come back a little bit. Okay, so there was a little bit of a correction because of this Greece, the whole Greece story, of course, and there was fear in the market. But even though there was fear in the market, Nordex was still, as you can see here, was trading sideways. So this already indicated some strength in the stock. The next thing was that I took a look at this, and that I saw there was the first point, the first resistance zone here, as you can see. This pink one, and I draw another resistance zone here, the blue one. So there were two resistance zones which were really, really close together. Okay, and then the stock closed here on, and that was important. The close of the stock was above this first resistance line, and even though I do not take indicators really seriously, but I always want to have at least one kind of confirmation. Okay, so I used the MACD here, and I took a look at this, and it also looked, because of the cross, it looked very bullish to me. Okay, so that's why I decided, okay, I'm gonna buy in here. And what happened, as you can see, is in the next slide, the blue line, which you saw in the last one, is here, is this one now, okay? And the stock broke out, okay? So it was a really great buy, because afterwards I was 4% in. Yeah, I won 4%. Okay, so I was the stock went up 4%. I was immediately profitable. Okay, and that's what I want to see when I buy stocks. So that's why I bought in the setup. And as you can see, the stock went on, and the next day after this breakout, it retreated a little bit, and that's what you would call the retest. Okay, so when the stock breaks out of this resistance zone, then it oftentimes, not always, but it kind of retests this level. And here it's not exactly, but this is a daily chart here, as you can see. It retested more or less this breakout zone, and then it went up even further. So that was one kind of setup I wanted to show you, which I traded, or which I invested in, because I'm much more a swing trader. As you can see here, it's a daily chart. But hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you're interested in, then please leave a comment, and I'll post future videos about other kinds of setups. Okay? So thank you for watching, and see you next time.